I heard you say that your favored look, your Hair-Topia, right? Your Hair-Topia is the Tracee Ellis Ross, just kind of like shake it out, wild and go. Is that of every texture, or is it her curl pattern, like that more open curl?
I mean, I think that is, obviously I'm putting it in perspective, right? Because my curl pattern is very different.
Right.
But I have a lot of volume. So I like the halo look. Like I like to be able to, you know, have like the fro, but you still have the curl pattern. Like you can see the curls in it.
Right.
But I just like the framing of her when she's in the photos with her hair out. So that's where I got that from.
Okay. All right.
But I know my hair wouldn't look exactly like that.
But you're okay. So you're okay with the size of your curl if you could get the definition.
Yes.
And you don't quite know how to get the definition.
I don't know how to keep the definition.
You don't know how to keep the definition. You get it wet in the shower.